If you want to change the theme font in Word, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. Changing the theme font is a great way to make your document look more professional, match your brand, or keep your formatting consistent across headings and body text. So if you've ever wanted your Word documents to have a cleaner, more polished look, this is the easiest way to do it. Before we get into the steps, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you and subscribe for more quick Word tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel and it lets you stay updated with more simple software guides. Alright, let's jump into Microsoft Word. First, open the document where you want to change the theme font. Once your file is open, look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and click the Design tab. The Design tab is where Word keeps many of the visual styling options for your document, including themes, colors, and fonts. After clicking Design, look for the Document Formatting group. In that section, you'll see a Fonts button. Click Fonts, and Word will show you a list of available theme font sets. These are preset font combinations that apply to your document headings and body text together, so your document keeps a consistent style. Now take a moment to browse through the available font sets. As you hover over different options, Word may preview how your document will look with each font theme. This makes it easier to choose a font pair that fits the style you want, whether that's something modern, formal, elegant, or simple. Once you find the font set you want, click it to apply it to the document. The theme font will update immediately, and any text using the document's theme fonts will change automatically. This is especially useful if you want to quickly refresh the look of a report, proposal, essay, or any other Word file without manually changing every heading and paragraph. If you're working on a document for school, work, or a client, changing the theme font can also help you keep your formatting consistent across the entire file. Instead of picking random fonts in different sections, the theme font helps everything stay unified and easy to read. And that's really all there is to it. In just one simple step, you can change the theme font in Word and give your document a completely different look. If you found this helpful, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.